Palmer Freeman Luckey is an American entrepreneur best known as the founder of Oculus VR and designer of the Oculus Rift, a virtual reality head-mounted display that is widely credited with reviving the virtual reality industry. In 2017, Luckey departed Oculus and founded defense contractor Anduril Industries, a defense technology company focused on autonomous drones and sensors for military applications. Luckey ranks number 22 on Forbes' 2016 list of America's richest entrepreneurs under 40. Luckey was born and raised in Long Beach, California, with three younger sisters, Ginger Luckey, Bridget Luckey, and Roxanne Luckey. His father worked at a car dealership. As a child, he was homeschooled by his mother, took sailing lessons, and had an intense interest in electronics and engineering. He took community college courses at Golden West College and Long Beach City College beginning at the age of 14 or 15 and started attending courses at California State University, Long Beach in 2010. He wrote and served as online editor for the university's student-run newspaper, Daily 49er. During his childhood and teenage years, he experimented with a variety of complex electronics projects including railguns, Tesla coils, and lasers, with some of these projects resulting in serious injuries. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.